Word ko, tawag nito, yung word from of the Lord is yung binigay ni Bishop. 'Di ba? Sabi niya na whether we live or die, we are the Lord's. So, ang pinupunto lang naman ni Bishop doon is yung tayo ay we live in a me world. Ako. Parang bata, ako ang importante. Pero, yung bata kasi, yeah, correct siya. Pero meron din naman sa Bible verse, sinabi ni Jesus na unless you become like this child, or children, you cannot enter the kingdom, no, of the Lord. So, tinutukoy ni Lord doon is yung humility naman ng mga kabataan. So, all of us actually, may kanya-kanya naman tayong conversion o yung sinasabi niyang metanoia o ano ba yun, metaverse o metaverse ba yun? Kay Facebook pala yun. Uh, Kanya-kanya tayong journey, di ba? Of tawag nito, conversion story. And we trust the Lord. Actually, ang sagot din dyan, may kinalaman pa rin para sa ating Sunday's Gospel. Kasi ito naman is last Sunday's second reading to the Romans. So kasi alam natin na yung gospel is about the unrepentant, tama ba? Unrepentant uh, worker ba yon, yung hindi niya napatawad yung kanyang pinatawad siya nung king o nung landowner o nung pero hindi niya napatawad yung mas nakaliit pa na sa kanya. So ang punto dito is basically is ang mercy ni Lord is kailangan mong pagbayaran. Kaya kinuha siya dinala siya doon sa torturers until he is able to pay his debt, no? Ang ibang Bible scholar, they translate that as purgatory. Is able to, kasi torturers, normally kasi yung mga kwento ng parable is dinadala ka doon sa where there is wailing and grinding of the teeth So parang you are dumb. Pero dito, in this case, may kasalanan kang malaki, pero merciful pa rin si Lord. Ito torture ka niya until you are able to pay your last debt. So kahit gaano kalaki yung kasalanan natin dito, di ba? May mga sinasabi si yung nga mga me generation, uh, tawag na ito, iba na yung kanilang mga pananaw sa kahit gaano pa kalaki yan, yung kanilang kasalanan. Kasi itong ang bukas na gospel naman, may connection kasi yun eh. The gospel of the yung the vineyard, di ba, the laborers. Si Lord naman, ang tinutukoy, yung hinahanap niya bawat isa sa atin. Whether you are in the 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, even to the last, no? Kahit na ikay malapit ng mamatay, even in your last death, andun si Lord na nahabol ka. Is that really very generous sa kanyang mercy, is giving you His redemption, His salvation, His love. And that's why, pag we are able to realize that we are that the love of the Lord. Kumbaga, hindi na yung sarili mo, yung me. It's about others, it's about the Lord. It's about the love of God, it's about the love of our neighbor. So, masasabi mong I have been crucified with Christ. I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. So, parang yun po yung pinupunto ni ni brother ni Bishop Baron. Kanya-kanya tayong conversion. Hindi naman natin sila pwede ipwersa. Maybe we could just show that you see each in every one of us that Jesus Christ is in us, and we are able to really be able to change them. But that is through the grace of the Lord. That is very tawag din. We cannot, kasi nga doon pa rin sa kasi doon sa gospel, no, sabi nung mga naunang nagtrabahador, ba't ganito pa rin yung binayad mo sa amin? Eh, itong mga huli na silang dumating. Pareho lang yung binayad. Di ba? So, dun kasi sa first reading, your ways are not my ways. Your thoughts are not my thoughts, sabi ng Lord. As high as the heavens. Di ba? So, ganun yung paliwanag doon ni Lord na, are you questioning my generosity? Di ba? So, whether you nauna ka, that's why the first will be the last will be the first. So, regardless whether you are nauna, you will still receive God's grace, will receive that love of the Lord. And yung denaryo, yung daily wage is basically given to you as your eternal salvation. So that is why what we are all praying with the help of Mama Mary, for the, and of course Saint Joseph, that each and every one na makilala natin na who are away, no, from the church, away from faith, we pray that through Mama Mary's help, that the mercy and the love of God continues to seek them, as the gospel, no, for tomorrow keeps on seeking the labor. Wala kang ginagawa, go to my church, sabi niya, or in the vineyard, go there, work there. So, ayun lang po yung gusto kong i-share. May the Lord be blessed, praise, thank, and love in the name of all.